golden handcuffs. You can be making a load of money and being really successful, but you're trapped in a business that you can't escape from, and that's no fun. I've been there, done it. You know, you 10 years down the line, you're like, I don't like this anymore. This thing I loved, I don't like anymore, because you're trapped in it. We talk about the 4 machines that you need to have systemized in your business. So the first one is the lead generation machine, which is what we're talking about here now. The second machine is the lead conversion, so converting those potential leads into either gold jobs or what we call most placeable candidates. The third machine then is your service delivery, how you deliver on those jobs or candidates that you've got exclusivity or retained with. And then the fourth machine is your economic machine, which is making sure that you get paid and candidates start, and you know that your team are all okay. And the thing about this is, with this BD machine, it is absolutely crucial that you can get the system in place, and it's really worthwhile your time getting that machine set up. Like, it's a very valuable thing to be systemized, because you know you might spend, you potentially could spend some weeks getting it really right and training people and getting, you know, it could take months to then embed it, but that one machine alone could be worth hundreds, if not millions of pounds over the next 2, 3, 4 years. So it's a really smart use of your time to get it done.
And just to add to that, Nikki, because from my experience, again, you know, running a business, but also where we've been supporting other recruitment businesses, this is such an important machine, because the delivery machine is a lot of people have probably got the delivery machine already working, or maybe it's not as again systemized or as effective as they'd like. But if you haven't got the business development piece right at the front end, then you've already got a block in those machines. You've already got an issue. So your delivery team could be the best delivery team ever, but if you haven't got business development happening systemized and consistently enough, you're never going to hit the numbers that you want to hit. And I think this has been highlighted in the whole COVID scenario, because what it's shown a lot of people is, I have not got any kind of systemization to my client development strategy, and that's a big problem.